I'm going to show you what is Watchity and where are we going with this. Each day, more than millions of people watch live video in social networks like YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter. And this is a great key revenue generator for broadcasters, media companies, brands, sports clubs, and whatever that has an engagement business with their audience. But when watching a live video, people have a clear preference by professional live video. Professional live video means the live video produced with professional tools that for many companies has a high complexity and high cost. In broadcasters, when broadcasters want to produce content for their social media, they have to use broadcast cameras, they have to use satellite connections, they have to bring mobile production trucks, they have to spend a lot of money in team and in production equipment. But now they can use Watchity, the live cloud video production platform, to transform the way they produce video. Because Watchity allows them to change the broadcast cameras by low-cost cameras, like smart mobile phones or action cameras, allows them to end using satellite connections and use public networks like 4G or Wi-Fi, and especially allows them to not use production tracks, which is the more expensive tool that a TV or a broadcaster uses, and lets them use cloud producing tools. So joining all of this, we help them to reduce up to 60% of production costs. So this is a huge market joined by broadcasters for one hand and enterprises for the other one, and enterprises includes brands, sports clubs, and digital press too. All of them are looking for tools to create more content in a more agile way, reducing costs, especially in broadcasters. But also enterprises want to create live video in the same way that a TV acts. The same way means that they want to be able to produce multi-camera productions with graphics, contextual informations, and things like this. So we give this technology to market using a SaaS business model. And our platform covers all of the steps of the live production, from the remote contribution using, as I said, smartphones, with a global network with less than 1.5 seconds delay, and with a strong technology for multi-camera synchronization, which is one of our main differentiators against the competition. Cloud production using mixing tools that runs inside the browser, so those tools doesn't need hardware, aren't limited to the physical location, and the team can work globally and distributedly. And then multi-channel distribution to use all the signals that are being produced to distribute them to social networks. So we have a pricing model adapted to the level of use of each customer. So we can adapt to smaller customers using the product with less hours, and to broadcasters using the product for many hours. Our business model also has the ability to grow fast in each customer. So we can upsell the product starting with 16 hours a month, but we have customers that are doubling this use today. This is the story of the company. We started 3 years ago, and we worked hard to create the product with 1 million investment in R&D, and one key beta tester, which is RTV, is the Spanish National Television, okay, the biggest media group in Spain. And with them, created the product, and 3 months ago, we started launching and selling the product. And now, 3 months later, we have 10,000 euros monthly recurrent revenue, and some relevant customers like RTV, obviously, Volkswagen, MediaPro, sport clubs, and brands. So we have a mix of all those customers already working with the platform. We also know how to manage the growth of the project, because we have finally achieved a highly scalable customer acquisition process. In fact, we can recover the cost of acquisition of one customer in the second month of use, and we have contracts for 1 year. So I think that with this capability, with a great gross margin, because we only spend 10% of the revenue in direct costs, so the rest is gross margin to feed the growth of the company. And the growth of the company, well, we aim to be one of the biggest providers in this new market, in the cloud production market. And now we are raising 2 million euros, okay? And from those 2 million euros, 300,000 are already committed by our current investors. And our idea is to invest this money in this technology, bringing the technology first into the European market, in UK, Germany, France, and Spain, of course, because we are based in Spain, in Barcelona. And then in 2020, starting growing the business in USA and the rest of Europe. So this is the idea. If someone wants to talk with us, we are here for the 2 days, so very happy to respond to you.